Hey, I'm Kishan, Chief of Staff at Analytics Solutions, where I support our leadership team as well as help drive a lot of our AI strategy and go-to-market efforts. So the go-to-market workshop at TiCon was honestly one of the most valuable sessions I've been part of. It gave me a super clear framework for how to think through every part of our go-to-market, from who we're really serving to how we talk about our product to what actually makes our strategy work. And it made me realize that there's a lot more ambiguity in our approach than I thought, and really helped us lock in to what really matters. But what really stood out the most was how much of a depth that Anurag brought, especially around AI, given how much it's shifting the entire landscape. His advice wasn't just generic go-to-market advice. He was helping us see how AI is changing the game for how we build product, our customer journey, and our entire go-to-market strategy. So that level of perspective was really insightful and valuable. And the entire workshop was super hands-on, which I loved. There were worksheets and prompts which actually forced us to think really clearly and not just take notes. So that combination of clarity and structure and just valuable coaching from him made it instantly valuable and very actionable. So if you're building anything, especially in AI, and I really recommend this workshop. It really showed me a lot of the blind spots that we had and that I didn't even realize. But most importantly, it gave us the clear frameworks and tools so that I can come back with my team to actually work through them and adjust our strategy. TiCon overall was just an incredible experience. There was so much energy. The caliber of the speakers and the attendees and the founders that were present was really inspiring, especially with so many being on the forefront of AI. So I left with a lot of really valuable insights as well as meaningful connections that will help me and my team build our company even more. So it's a huge shout out to the entire team and Anurag. Just really grateful to be part of such a meaningful, special community. And this has definitely helped myself and our team come out with a lot of new valuable learnings.